Hi friends, welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to create a simple QR code using a Spring Boot. So let me quickly create one Spring Boot project. So I just type here a Spring, a starter. Now I am going to click on Spring Inslayer. So you can see here a Spring Inslayer open. So uh, And in this project section, I will keep as a Maven and language Java and Spring Boot. I will keep as a default and group. I will keep com dot code with Saurabh and artifact. I will keep as a QR code generator and I will keep as a package name as a default and packaging as a jar as a default and Java 17. So here we need to add two dependency. One is the core and second one the Java SE. But if you find here in this list, you can't find here. So that's why I am just creating that project. After that, I will add dependency later. So I'm going to click on that generate button to generate project. So you can see here a project is generated, QR code generator. So I'm just opening here. So now I'm going to extract my project. So just right clicking here and here clicking on the extract all and here I will select that location. So I'm going to just click on that browse and here I will keep on that uh, this PC and C drive inside C drive STS and inside STS I will keep inside a STS project. So here just selected that you can see here C drive STS and STS project and just click on the extract. So you can see here C drive STS project and QR code generated. Now I am going to import this project in STS. So I just open that STS IDE and I am going to click on that file menu, then import, and here I'm going to click Maven under existing Maven project, and here I will select that my project. So I'm going to just click on that STS and STS and STS project, and here and this is the my project. So I'm going to click on that select folder. So once updated the dependency, if added or building that path. So now I'm going to show you pom.xml file. This is the Maven file. So you can see here. So here given that by default two dependency. One is that Spring Boot has started, and second one given Spring Boot has started is. So now I'm going to add here dependency to creating that QR code. So now I'm just going to write in Google Chrome Maven uh, repository. So either you can write Maven repository, Maven dependency. So it will open Maven repository and just open here. Now here search for group artifact category. So I'm just going to type here com dot google dot zxing, and after that I'm going to click on the search button. So here you can see zxing core, and another is we have required dependency zxing java sc extension. So now I'm going to click on that xing core. So you can see here the latest dependency version 3.5.2. So now I'm going to click on that 3.5.2. So this is a dependency. So here you need to select that build type. So I selected that Maven. So it will be automatically copied whenever you're clicking here. So you can see here copied to clipboard. So now copied. So now just open that pom.xml file, and other you can see here the last file name is that pom.xml file. Just pasting here, and after that I come again in that Maven repository file, either search, either you can use that back button, and after that you need to click on that xing java sc extension, and I'm going to click on that 3.5.2. So now clicking on that dependency, and pasting here. After that I use the shortcut key control shift F for formatting that code. So now it's starting the building the file. So build is successful. Then you need to click on that main under src main java com, or code with Saurabh, or just clicking here QR generator. So this is the default class, the default main class. So I'm going to create one more class to generate that QR code, or either you can use that existing one, but I'm going to create a new class. So uh, in that base package, I'm just right click and then click on the new, then other, and then click on the Java, and inside Java, click on that class. So here I will write that my class name. So I will write that my class name QR code generator, and clicking on that finish button. So you can see here it's created the class. So now I'm going to write that main method, and simply so just typing here main, or using with that control shift, and here giving that pop-up, then clicking on the enter. So it's automatically right, no need to type anything, and here just writing that a string user id, and giving that value user id ha123, then writing the string user name equal to Saurabh, then a string, and address equal to, and inside address I am filling with that Kolkata, and email, for email using the string email. In this email I am going to write here some Saurabh dot example dot com, And after that I'm going to write that one more field for the mobile number. So just writing here mobile number and giving that any random number here. So checking with that numbers. Now I am going to concatenate with that single variable. So just writing that string user data and giving that equal to double quotation. So just giving that semicolon. So here, so why this is the using for the user data, because we want to see that uh, uh, format of the data after the scanning that QR code. So just that's why writing here. So just writing here user ID and giving that name user ID. Then just using that slash n for that changing the line, and here giving that user ID and then name. So user name and username, and then giving that value user name, and changing that new line. So using that slash n, then using that address, and after that just writing here address, and then changing the new line. So using that slash n, after that just clicking here and address, then email. So and data member name is that email, then new line, so slash n, and then mobile number. So just right here mobile number, and here giving that value of the mobile number. So mobile number. So this is that mobile number is that last. So we don't require to change that new line. So just stopping here. Now we have to decide that after generating that file that QR code file. So where we are going to store. So I just want to create that QR code inside a project. That means inside that QR code generator. So here just writing uh, a string directory path and giving that directory name. So directory name, that means one that directory that name, that means folder name. So here writing that QR code, QR code. So I just write here QR codes. Now going to write that a string file path, and here we are giving that a directory name. So path directory path, then using that file dot separator, and file dot separator, then plus, and giving that name of that QR code file name. So in this double quotation I'm just writing here user QR code dot png. Otherwise, if you just want to customize that name, that time you can use that name. So if you just want to use that name, so just writing here and just using that name. So name, I just use that user name or use that plus. So here it will take that username, whatever you just write here, username and QR code, and appended with that QR code dot png. So after that, we need to create that directory. So firstly, we need to use with that directory path. So I'm just writing here object of the path. So just write here directory equal to file system dot get default. So file system. So I need to import here file system dot. Okay, we need to import that path as well. Dot get default, and here using the got default dot get path, and here giving that path. So we have only that directory path, so I'm going to use with that path. So here uh, dir path, and no need to argument, so just here using that semicolon. So it's created the object of that file system, and giving that path. So here it will change into directory to path. So now I am just going to check file already, that means directory already exists or not. So just writing here if mm, yeah. So in this if condition, I'm just writing here file and sorry, files dot exist, and here giving that directory name. So just giving the directory name. So no need to use with that other parameter so files dot exist, if exist, that time it will return here. If you see here exist, so it will return that boolean, that means whenever already exists, so that time it will true, otherwise it will return as a false. Then just come here, and here we are going to create the directory. If not, that time just writing here files dot create a directory. So here we are going to select that path. So here giving that path. So create directory, and in this directory giving that only the directory name. So I use with that single parameter files dot create directory, and it will generate that exception. So just I am going to surround it with that try catch. So whenever running that this code files dot create directory, so it will create that new directory. After creating the directory, I just want to saw the message directly created and giving that path. So just writing using that sysout statement. So that means system out dot println. So just writing here directory created, and giving that value as a directory. So in my case, having the directory uh, now created. After that, after if not creating, so or generating that any kind of the exception, so related to input output exception, so that time it will generate the exception. So I just use the try catch. Inside catch block, I use input output exception. So in this here it will generate that or if getting that problem any kind of the error, that time it will generate the error or something. If you just want to write your own message, that time you can write here So I'm just going to write here something uh, message like error creating directory. And I just want to show that region why it's not creating. So just using that uh, object of that input output exception class. So here just writing that e dot get message. So we will get true kind of the message. One is that my message, and giving that system generated message for that exception dot get message, and second one it will generate that uh, abstract trace. So now I'm just going to use with that set that after that creating that directory. So we need to use with that generate the matrix for that uh, QR code. So here just using with that map. So map, and here just writing that in code. So in code hint type. So firstly we need to import that map, after that in code hint type, and second parameter I will pass on that object and giving that reference name hint map equal to new hatch map. So we need to import. I imported that encode hint type, and second parameter passing that object, and so I created the object. After that, I need to set the value. That means which type of that encode hint type, and what is that character set. So just using that object of that hint map dot put. So here in code hint type dot encode hint type dot character set, and second parameter I will pass as a UTF minus 8, and after that giving that semicolon. So it's completed that it's creating that map object, and setting that key as a character set, and value as a UTF-8. Now I'm going to create that multi-format writer object of the multi-format writer. So using that bit matrix. So using that matrix equal to new multi-format writer. So importing that one here multi-format writer dot encode. So here just going to pass with that user data, and second parameter I will pass that format. So using that barcode format. So here using that second parameter is a barcode format dot QR code. Yeah, and next parameter I'm going to set that height. So I think height I will keep as a 300, and I will set that with 300, and I just going to pass with that one object of that character set. So I use that hint map and giving that semicolon. So now you can check here. So here it will generate that surrounded with so it's handled. So that time so it will generate the exception. So I'm just going to click on that surrounded with try catch. So you can check there, it's automatically that added with the try catch. So I'm just going to break the code. So here including that user ID. So now after that I'm just going to save that our file. So just using that matrix to image writer, matrix to image writer dot write. So here giving that option that so I will select that write to a stream. So here just select that write stream and just pass with that matrix mat object of that bit matrix, and after that I will pass on that second parameter as a string format. So uh, so I will pass as a png as a format, and second one I will pass as a object of that file object. So here creating that object new. So new file output a stream, and inside here inside a parameter I will pass it a file. So here file path. Yeah. So it's already handled, but here generating that different exceptions. So just adding with that existing clause. So add exception to existing clause. So yeah, I did. So first one here it will generate that write exception, and second one will be generate on that input output exception. So whenever writing that file, that time it will generate that input output exception. So it's added. So after that writing writing that file. So after that I will give that one message. So I will break here dot write, and here just use that sys out a statement, and inside a statement I'm going to just write that QR code generated successfully. Yeah. So I just use here the condition. So it's not required the else condition, so I just deleted here. So now it's completed. So then I'm just going to run that project, and let's see it's generating that or not. So here right click on that, then run a Spring Boot application. So it's directly created. So and directory name is a QR codes, and giving that message QR code generated successfully. Let's see. So just right click on that project, and after that click on that refresh. So you can see here it's created that one folder and giving that QR code. So now it's completed.